What is alcoholism? Alcoholism is a chronic disorder in which a person is unable to refrain from frequent and excessive consumption of alcohol. It is such a disorder in which people cannot stop drinking even when they know that drinking is affecting their health, but still they put their safety at risk. Alcoholics have puffy face with bloodshot eyes, hoarse voice, and a rapid pulse. They are suspicious, irritable, and over emotional. Vomiting, delirium, impaired judgment, and disturbed sleep are some of the other symptoms that alcoholics suffer from. Excessive drinking damages the liver and gradually leads to cirrhosis. It also leads to disorders of the stomach and bowels. It may damage the brain cells and it also affects the heart. Alcohol can contribute to high blood pressure, heart disease, and increased risk of stroke. It may increase the risk of cancer of mouth, throat, esophagus, liver, breast, and colon. It can create mental health problems like depression and anxiety. Alcohol is used for long term. It can affect memory, concentration, and cognitive function. Alcoholism is a disease that can take over a person's life and leave them feeling hopeless. It may start with occasional drink, but slowly and steadily, drinking becomes a habit, and as the time passes, alcoholism progresses and develops physical and psychological dependence on alcohol. And later on, one reaches the stage of alcoholism. Early stages of alcoholism can be overcome by the treatment of therapy and support groups. But alcohol abusers do not realize the dangers of drinking. While withdrawing from alcohol, the person may experience negative physical and psychological symptoms like alcohol cravings, rapid heartbeat, anxiety, nausea, vomiting, and reduced appetite. As the time progresses, the body becomes so much dependent on alcohol that it cannot function without it. During this phase, significant physical and mental health problems crop up. In the last stage of alcoholism, one may face life-threatening health problems and may often face isolation. Continuous drinking, alcohol damages the vital organs such as liver, heart, kidneys, pancreas, and brain. Problems of dementia may also occur, and such people may face the increased risk of cancer. However, recovery is possible at any stage of alcoholism. The most important home remedy for alcoholism is an exclusive diet of grapes for at least a month. Alcoholics should consume grapes 3 times a day at an interval of 6 hours. But one should take care and be determined to leave alcohol. Apples may be another effective remedy for alcoholism. A generous intake of apples may help in removing intoxication and may reduce the craving for wine and other liquors. The juice of the leaves of bitter gourd proves to be very beneficial in alcohol intoxication. It is useful in cases of liver damage due to alcohol. In a glass of buttermilk, 3 teaspoons of bitter gourd juice should be mixed and should be taken every morning for a month. Celery and dates are also beneficial in the treatments of alcoholism. The most effective way to treat alcoholism is to build a body's nutritional integrity. This helps in preventing craving for alcoholic drinks. The best substitute drink for alcohol can be a glass of fresh juice of a fruit. Experts advise that refined foods such as sugar, white rice, strong condiments, white flour, and meat products should be avoided. The most important step towards breaking the alcohol habit is the determination to leave this habit. Smoking must be avoided as this habit may increase the desire for alcohol. This is Bright Lifestyle. Thank you for joining.